Now, this is the good news and the bad news. You are their example. We experience what we know. Much of what is learned in an art room is by observation. And whom are they observing? You. So modeling is a very important part of art practice. Remember I said this earlier, how that was important? But we're coming back to this, but in more detail. If someone sees you demonstrating a technique and it doesn't look too hard, you've broken it down enough so they can accomplish it. Um, they will perform it with confidence just as well as you. Teaching art means creating excitement. You got to make it fun. That's the basics. I found this to be true in all my teaching practice. If I tell my students they're going to love this, they do. If I tell them, oh, this is going to be hard, they do find it hard. So lie. Tell them this is easy. Even though it's quite a difficult technique, you tell them, okay, you do this and this and this. You'll see, you'll get it. It's easy. When you end the sentence with it's easy, they do it. They accomplish this with no problem. So that's important for you to know. So remember, think about breaking down that technique. How are you going to do this? A bonding has to happen between the students and the teacher as well. They have to like you. That's what that means. Remember, your old teachers, what are the ones you remember the most? The ones that you liked and they liked you back. Teachers and students should work together. It's not all about you generating all the excitement. You get your students excited and then it becomes a big circle. Everybody starts loving and being excited about creating. Cooperative learning is awesome because it allows flow to occur. Creativity happens really easily. When one student gets an idea, it usually makes a leap for the other student. And if you have 10 students in the class, that's 10 more ways they can learn more. And it's almost like magic. And it's fun to see that creativity bloom. Part of your job, too, is to help them become independent, autonomous, accept change, and accept advice. Um, that's really important. Here's your task. Think of the best practices you can use for this course. What can you do that would make this course the best? Big questions, but just think about it. You just need one answer each. Just as an aside, the answers will change after you've taught this workshop once. Twice, almost every time. You keep adding and changing your workshop every time you teach it. And you tweak it a little bit each time. This is just normal. It's good teaching practice to tweak and change and make things better every time. So finish this task and remember, just one answer each. And we'll see you in the next section.